We're almost in the middle of August, and with Q4 approaching, it's the perfect time to step up your design productivity game. But what if you don't have any time? What if you feel like you've ran out of ideas? Well, what if I told you there was something that could help you solve both of these problems? I've shared a little bit about Vexels in the past, but their design platform has only grown better with new features, new templates, new professional designs, and more. If you're looking for quality and speed, this platform may be a good investment for you. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create 2 scalable professional winning designs in under 10 minutes using Vexels T-Shirt Maker. And the timer starts now. There are a lot of cool features within the T-Shirt Maker, but one of my favorites is the editable templates. They make it really easy to crank out a ton of different designs very quickly. Retro is very popular on Etsy right now, so we'll go ahead and pick this one. I'm gonna change the shirt color so that it's easier to see. Okay, so once you ungroup it, you can edit each individual part of the design, which is really cool because you can make it completely your own. I'm gonna change the text to say what I want it to say and move things around to how I want it. So I'll do soon to be and then adjust the graphics a little bit. So I'll position this exactly where I want it. I'll scoot this one over here and then I'll adjust the diamonds and place them exactly where I want them. And then after I have it placed how I want it, I will now add a new text box, and this text box will say nurse. So I'll go ahead and type that in here. I'm now going to copy the hex code from the other text and add it here so that the text is cohesive and matches the other text. And you can just do copy paste, and now our nurse text matches our soon to be text. Alright, so some of the coolest features they have, in my opinion, are the stroke and shadow features that you can add to your text. The stroke is an outline around the text, and you can adjust the width to however thick or thin you want it, which is super nice to make the text stand out. And then the shadow feature helps the text stand out even more, and you can offset the shadow in whatever direction you want, which is really cool, so I'm going to do that for all of the text. So I'll go ahead and apply that to all of my text, and these features alone really help the design look more professional, so I feel like it's a game changer because it only takes a few clicks and it'll make sure that your text is easily visible and doesn't blend too much into the shirt. And then I'll make a few more adjustments, and I'll place to be just a little bit lower, and then I'll tilt my nurse text here so it's a little bit offset. I can make it a little bigger if I want, and you can place it wherever you want it to be placed. And another cool thing you can do is you can actually change the colors of this entire graphic if you'd like. So if you'd like a specific color, or if you have a specific color scheme you want to use, you can easily change the colors with the color picker here, or you can copy and paste the hex codes for the specific colors that you'd like to use and then hit apply. But I want to keep the original colors, so I'll go ahead and hit undo. This graphic is super scalable because you can change the text to say whatever you want. You can change it to soon to be grandma, or you can even do soon to be teacher, or soon to be mother, soon to be whatever. So it's just really easy to use over and over and over again. And just like that, design number 1 is done. When you're all done with your design, you can go over here and hit download, and then you can go and add that to your store. So now I'm going to create a new design and show you some awesome text features they have. It's all trendy now to do the wavy text, so I'm going to show you how to easily do that, along with so many other text shape options. So I'm gonna add my text, and this one will say, "Here comes the sun," which I'm pretty positive is trademarked, so don't go using this phrase, it's just for the tutorial. You can copy paste your text box as many times as you need. And after I have all of my text boxes I need, I will then plug in the words that I want to have it say. So here comes the sun. And something that's nice with this, you can make it as big as you want. You can increase the height as well as the width, which is very nice and easy to do. Okay, now once we have it placed exactly where we want it, I want to show you one of the coolest features here on Vexels. And you can change the shape of these text boxes, which is very easy to do. So we have our text, and now we can go down to the text shapes and click through the different shape options until we find which one we want. These ones are super popular right now, but I'm gonna go with this one since I think it looks really cool with the stacked text. All right, I think that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna adjust it slightly and then add a graphic in the white space here. So they have a lot of different graphics you can choose from, and you can also search. So I want a sunflower, so I'll search that. And then after you find the graphic that you want, you can go ahead and add that to your design. So here's one that I want, and we can throw that right here and then adjust the layers here to then send it to the back. So this looks pretty good, but I think we can make it look even better with some color. So I often use colors.co to find color palettes. That's colors with 2 O's. And I found one here that I like. You can just click on the color and it will copy the hex code, and then you can just paste it to whatever you want on your design. So I'll go ahead and paste that here. Then I'll go and do that to all of my different words. So here comes the sun. Each word will have a different color scheme. And we'll add our last color, and it looks pretty good. And then I will do what I did on the other design and add the stroke and shadow to the text to really make it stand out and look professional. And you can see the difference here once I start adding the stroke and shadow, makes it look so much better. So one other thing you can do is mask the text. So they have these really cool patterns that you can mask onto your text, and you can even upload your own pictures. So if you have a cool background or a popular pattern that you want to use, you can upload it here and easily add it to your text. So a super cool feature, but we're not going to use it right now. And then, like I showed you on the first design, I'm going to adjust the colors on my sunflower graphic to match the overall design a little bit better and make the colors slightly more muted, since the text color scheme is a little more muted. And then I'll adjust my layers again to throw it in the back, and there you have it. Design number 2 is done and ready to download. So we created 2 professional designs in less than 10 minutes. Once you're done, you'll go ahead and download this design to your computer, and then you're ready to upload that to your shop. Vexels is currently offering our community a massive discount to get ahead of Q4. They are doing 43% off on any annual plan, which is a subscription plan that gives you access and licensing as long as your account is active, and 40% off on any lifetime plan, which costs a bit more, but you only pay once and it gives you lifetime access and licensing to everything forever, which I personally think is the best deal. The sale is available between today, Wednesday, August 10th, and Friday, August 12th. This is a quick and efficient way to create highly professional designs without wasting time. I know for me, one of my biggest hurdles in business is not having enough time, especially when it comes to designing, and Vexels has been a great solution. Don't miss out on their flash sale if you're wanting to effectively scale your merch business. This partnership with Vexels also helps me keep creating content to help you. So if you choose to use Vexels services using my links down below, you'll also be supporting me and my content. If you have any questions about Vexels, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.